The Dyson Wash G1 is a sophisticated floor cleaner that merges Dyson's vacuum expertise with wet cleaning capabilities, making it ideal for homes with hard flooring that require thorough, regular cleaning. This new model is equipped with powerful counter-rotating rollers that tackle both wet and dry debris, providing efficient floor cleaning without requiring a separate vacuum. Let's dive into a detailed analysis of its features, functions, and how it performs across various surfaces. Design and Build Dyson has designed the Wash G1 with a sleek and practical layout. Weighing approximately 4.9 kilograms, about 10.8 pounds, it strikes a balance between portability and functionality. Its minimalistic docking station is compact, designed to hold the device upright and allow for easy charging and storage without taking up significant space. The body is built to provide stability while cleaning, and users appreciate that it's maneuverable enough to use around furniture and tight corners, though it may face challenges reaching low-clearance spaces under furniture. Key features. The Dyson Wash G1 stands out due to its well-integrated wet and dry cleaning technologies. Let's explore these features in detail. 1. Dual roller system. The Wash G1 uses two microfiber rollers that spin in opposite directions. Each roller is covered in high-density microfiber containing approximately 64,800 fibers per square centimeter. This design enables the cleaner to absorb spills effectively and capture dirt particles, making it suitable for homes with pets or young children. The roller's counter-rotating motion provides sufficient dwell time on stains, ensuring more effective cleaning. 2. Pulse-modulated hydration. Pump. Dyson has integrated a pulse-modulated pump that distributes water evenly across the roller's surface through 26 hydration points. This feature allows the Wash G1 to regulate water usage based on cleaning needs, effectively managing the amount of water released. In max mode, the cleaner increases water output to tackle tough, dried-on stains, while a lighter setting can be used for regular maintenance. 3. Separation of wet and dry debris. One of the Wash G1's standout features is its ability to separate wet and dry debris. As dirt and spills are collected, the machine filters solid waste into a dry debris tray located at the machine's base. This tray can easily be removed and emptied, while liquid waste is stored separately in a dirty water tank. This system keeps waste management simple and reduces mess, a notable improvement over traditional mop designs. 4. Water tank capacity and coverage. With a clean water tank that holds approximately 1 liter, the Wash G1 can cover up to 290 square meters, roughly 3,121 square feet, in one fill. This capacity, coupled with its 35-minute battery life, allows the cleaner to tackle larger areas without constant refills or recharging, making it suitable for medium to large homes with hard flooring. 5. Self-cleaning mode. Dyson included a self-cleaning cycle that can be activated while the machine is docked. This cycle uses clean water to rinse the rollers and remove residual dirt, prepping the machine for future use. This self-cleaning feature helps maintain the rollers and reduces the need for manual cleaning. However, Dyson does recommend a deeper cleaning of the rollers after every 3 uses to ensure longevity and hygiene. 6. Hydration modes. The Wash G1 includes multiple hydration modes, allowing users to tailor water output based on the type of flooring and the level of cleaning required. For example, a lighter setting is ideal for wooden floors to avoid oversaturation, while max mode is better for tiles or areas with stubborn dirt. The control is managed by a simple button interface located on the handle, making it easy to switch between modes as needed. 7. Battery life and power. The Wash G1 provides up to 35 minutes of runtime on a single charge, which is sufficient for most medium-sized cleaning tasks. It includes a battery life display screen, showing a countdown of remaining power, a practical feature that helps users plan their cleaning sessions without unexpected interruptions. Performance on different surfaces. The Dyson Wash G1 is engineered to work on a variety of hard floor types, including wood, tile, and linoleum. While it's effective in picking up wet and dry messes on flat surfaces, it may struggle slightly on uneven surfaces like flagstone due to its microfiber rollers, which perform best on smooth, even floors. The microfiber material provides an ideal combination of softness for wooden surfaces and durability for tiles, which is helpful for maintaining floors in good condition without risk of scratching. When used on wood, the Wash G1's adjustable hydration levels prevent excessive water application, which can be damaging to sensitive surfaces. For tiled surfaces, it's effective at absorbing water and dirt, leaving minimal standing water after cleaning. It's particularly praised for its ability to remove pet hair, crumbs, and other small debris. Although it is not intended to fully replace a vacuum for all cleaning needs, maintenance and usability. Maintaining the Dyson Wash G1 is relatively straightforward, thanks to the separation of solid and liquid waste. Users can easily remove the debris tray and pour out dirty water without dealing with a muddy mix, a frequent challenge with conventional wet mops. The rollers are removable, allowing users to wash or replace them as necessary. Dyson suggests replacing rollers every 6 months, although this may vary based on usage frequency. However, some reviewers noted issues with minor leaks from the water tank and difficulty securing it in place. The water tanks are secured with screw tops, which can be slightly finicky and may require precise alignment to prevent leakage. Overall impressions and price consideration. The Dyson Wash G1 is designed to cater to users seeking a high-end, effective solution for maintaining hard floors, especially in households with pets or young children. While its price is higher than traditional mops or floor cleaners, Dyson's commitment to durability and efficient design makes it a worthwhile investment for those prioritizing hygiene and ease of use. However, this cleaner might not completely replace a vacuum in homes with a mix of hard and carpeted floors. It's best viewed as a complementary tool that can handle most hard floor messes, but may require support from a traditional or robotic vacuum for carpeted spaces or extensive dust collection. Overall, the Dyson Wash G1 fills a niche for consumers seeking a versatile, easy-to-use floor cleaner that handles both wet and dry debris effectively.